Well, I am out here at Margie's Farm and Garden, and we are talking strawberries because you guys actually have some.
Oh, we do. We have lots of beautiful strawberries right now.
Well, we love you for your plants, but boy, we really love you right now because of these wonderful strawberries. So you're going to give us a great idea on how to whip something up with them.
Oh, there's so many great uses for strawberries,
There are.
but today we are going to learn how to make a strawberry daiquiri.
Well, okay, you bought me for it, so I'm here. So
Okay, great.
tell me what you do.
So first we're going to make our concentrate with the strawberries. So we're going to add 2 cups of just regular granulated sugar. We're going to add that in to a big bowl.
Okay.
And then we're going to add 1/4 cup water.
And then the strawberries?
Not quite yet, not quite yet. We got to make the sweet.
And that's lime juice?
And then a 1/3 cup lime juice. And you can also use fresh limes. It would take about 2 medium limes
to
juice.
Get the juice out of it?
Yeah.
Good.
So you add that all together.
And
then get a scraper, mix it all up. So it's going to be a little thick, but you mix it up good. And then you're going to want to set it aside for about 15 or 20 minutes so that the sugar starts to dissolve.
And of course, through the magic of television, look at this.
Magic of television, we have one all ready to go.
Because this is the second batch we're going to have later, right?
Yeah, this is our later batch. So as you can see, this is a little runnier because of the sugar.
Yeah.
And it's all dissolved. So we'll take that and we'll come over here to our blender.
That's a fancy blender,
This
too.
is a really nice blender, yes.
And so you're just draining it
So
right
I'm just
in there.
scraping it all right in there. And then the important part here is the strawberries to make your strawberry daiquiri. So we have 2 quarts of fresh strawberries.
And you just took them and cubed them up,
So
right?
I just washed them, I cut the tops off, put them in quarters. You really don't even have to do that if you have a strong blender.
Right, right.
Pour them all in the blender. And then you just put the lid on.
And that's all you do at
That's
this
all-
point, right?
That's all you do at this point.
When do you add the rum?
Oh, the rum's not quite yet. This
Okay.
is just the straight concentrate.
And so then you're just going to blend this up.
So we're going to blend this up, and then we're going to put it in the freezer.
All right, let's do it.
So let's start blending.
Okay, so now the puree is done, right?
Yes,
But there's
yes.
another step now.
Yes, this is, we'll take the concentrate. So this is your concentrate. So we'll take it, and we'll put it, what I like to do is use these ice cube trays.
Oh my, that's
And
clever.
I just pour it in, fill it up nice, and then I'll cover it with like saran wrap to put it in the freezer. And then it also works good to put it in just a frozen, a container that can go in the freezer.
Right.
When it's all frozen, it's kind of like a sorbet mixture. So then it's easy to just take an ice cream scoop and scoop it right out to use.
And again, through the beauty of television, these are the ones that you already froze with this mixture. And I love that I love this ice cube thing.
It's so easy. It's so easy, and it's easy for anybody to use then. So this was frozen yesterday, so I just, to get it out of the container, I heated it with hot water real quick, and they just pop right out.
Popped them right out.
Yep.
Yeah.
So then when you use them, you can just easily pour in, 4 or 5 cubes, depending on how much you're going to make,
Right.
how many friends you have over that day. And then you put about 1 cup of ice in with that.
Yeah.
And then
Now's
here's
the
the good
rum,
part.
right?
Now's the rum. Now's when you're talking about the rum. So I'd put in, maybe about 3 shots.
Yeah.
Depending on how many people you're serving. And then
We're doing the
we
blending
take
again,
the
right?
blender, put it on, and just start blending. So this is when it's nice to have a blender that does ice.
Good. Well, okay, Margie, this is beautiful. It looks delicious, but there's a 7-Up or something like that, and pineapple juice. What's up with that?
Well, for people who don't like to drink
Right,
alcohol or
right.
something, this is one of my kids' favorites. And how I make it for them is I add pineapple juice and 7-Up in it.
So that's when you're blending.
And when I'm blending, so I
Yeah.
take the frozen concentrate, put it in the blender, add a little bit of pineapple juice and 7-Up to taste, and the ice, and it's a fantastic, refreshing treat during the summer.
And a great recipe now for the entire family, too.
Oh, for sure.
So that's
Yeah.
wonderful. Well, we are often out here because we love the beautiful color, the blooms, and the wonderful plants and stuff that we can find out here. And now you can find strawberries because they're available, and then you can take them home, and make these drinks yourself. So for more information on the recipe, go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over there. You can find out their hours and when you can come and get fresh strawberries for yourself. Thank you so much.
Oh,
Margie.
thank you, William.